This case is being heard in Greenwood County, Kansas, involving Luis Roberto Hernandez. The court ordered him to complete a drug and alcohol evaluation as a mandatory requirement before sentencing. Despite multiple hearings and repeated opportunities, the evaluation was never completed. As a result, the judge expressed strong frustration and ordered the defendant to be taken into custody so the evaluation could be completed while he is in jail. The case is now set for a status hearing, after which the court will proceed with sentencing once the evaluation is done.
Here's the legal snag: no ID means no evaluation, but legally, that excuse only stretches so far. Courts expect compliance, not complications. And when delays stack up like this, judges stop hearing reasons and start seeing resistance.
Actually, it's been since March 4th that he was ordered to get that evaluation. March 4th of 2025, and we still haven't gotten that evaluation. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is about the 7th hearing. Set for sentencing. Do we have an alcohol and drug evaluation?
No, we do not.
Did you catch that pause? That wasn't silence, that was disbelief. When a judge says, "You did not want to tell me that today," that's courtroom code for someone is in serious trouble. How many chances do you think is too many before consequences kick in?
Oh, you did not want to tell me that today.
I understand, Judge.
All right.
Let's go ahead and call the case, and I'll give you the story, okay?
Okay. We are on the record in GW 2024 CR 205, State of Kansas versus Luis Roberto Hernandez, County Attorney Jill Gillette for the state, Attorney Richard Paul for the defendant, who also appears in person.
Grizzly.
Appearing in person on order of the court. Now, the second thing is, he was ordered to be here in person, and he was ordered to be here with his evaluation in hand, having had this thing continued repeatedly to get the evaluation. Court recalling that he was to get it at a facility next to your office, Mr. Paul, and you said that they were pretty quick at turning them around, so here you go, Mr. Paul.
Here's the legal snag: no ID means no evaluation, but legally, that excuse only stretches so far. Courts expect compliance, not complications. And when delays stack up like this, judges stop hearing reasons and start seeing resistance.
Well, thank you, Judge. Mr. Hernandez did try to do all of that. Unfortunately, he doesn't have an ID, so they wouldn't let him do an eval.
All right. Mr. Hernandez has repeatedly denied my order, for whatever his excuses, to get that evaluation done, and that goes clear back at least till October.
And here it is, the turning point. This is the moment where the court flips from patience to enforcement. Jail isn't punishment yet, it's leverage. The judge is saying, if freedom isn't motivating you, maybe custody will. That's a powerful, and perfectly lawful, move.
Oh, I think even long before that. In any event, officer, I'm ordering that he be taken into custody and that he sit in the county jail until he gets that evaluation done. And I will order whoever you can get in there to get in there and do it. Deputy, can you hear me at the Greenwood County Courthouse?
Yes, ma'am.
Take him into custody with the order that he gets his drug and alcohol evaluation done in the county jail. And Missy, when can we do his sentencing?
I'm not sure how far you want to go out because I don't know how long it'll take to get that done.
I don't know either. Miss Gillette, any guesses? Estimates?
I was just texting the jail and the jail liaison for mental health and treatment stuff. So I don't know till they answer me. But I would say let's put him on for a status on like a 3:30 docket. When's our next one, Missy? We have one January 20th, which is this coming Tuesday. And
that's probably too soon, I would think.
Well, then we'll know at least if it's scheduled.
There you go. You said status. So for status 3:30 this coming Tuesday, which is what?
The 20th, January 20th.
All right.
Calling a defendant very difficult, on the record, is not a throwaway line. That label follows you. It shapes sentencing, credibility, and how much grace the court is willing to extend. Spoiler alert, not much.
Mr. Hernandez, you have been a very difficult defendant trying to get this done. Maybe now it'll happen. Now, counsel, I want to make sure that someone contacts the appropriate agency. Will it be Crosswinds, probably Miss Gillette, that will go in to visit him?
I'm going to check with Crosswinds. I don't know. Sometimes we have SAC, sometimes we. So I was going to
Well,
text.
SAC is the one next to Mr. Paw's office.
Mhm.
So, but whatever you can do, and technically I'll have to get Judge Ricky's prior approval for if we have to make the payment directly. I'd like to put it in the journal entry that the defendant is responsible for that directly, but whatever we need to do to get that evaluation. So this defendant, actually it's been since March 4th that he was ordered to get that evaluation. March 4th of 2025, and we still haven't gotten that evaluation. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is about the 7th hearing. All right, so Ms. Gillette, I'm going to put that in your hands to make sure that someone gets called and that you and Mr. Paul coordinate to get that done. And we'll look at it again. I like your idea. The more I think about it, Ms. Gillette, that we do a status on January. You said January 20th at 1:30, right?
Yeah,
3:30.
at 3.
3:30, yes.
4 days. That's all that's left on the clock. This case isn't about paperwork anymore, it's about accountability. So here's the real question. Should the system keep bending to non-compliance? Or is this exactly how justice is supposed to work?
3:30. That's just 4 days from now. Okay. All right. Go with the officers, Mr. Hernandez. Don't get into any more trouble. That enough. Officer, do you have him?
Yeah, they're.
And I don't want him to be busy with something else and let him walk out the door. That was Deputy Lazar that was in charge there.
Leonard.
Oh, that was Leonard. All right.
He has him now.
All right. He's in your hands, Deputy. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I'll take care of it.
Appreciate it, sir. Now then, who do you want to take up next, Mr. Paul?
No one.
No one? That's your last one?
It is. And thanks for asking me. And when you asked McClendon if it was okay if they went first, you didn't even ask me.
I should have.
I know where I rate.